Hi, today we are going to review the Cartoon Figures Magnetic Puzzle on my 7 qualities. Smell, choking hazard, noise, life potential, sturdiness, messy, and ease of use. I really like this. I give this toy a 9. We are going to, this one I already opened, and this one we are going to open in front of you. What is inside of them? There are 2 different ones. We have, this is the Cartoon Figures Magnetic Puzzle, and this one is farm animals. So we're gonna open the Cartoon Figures one first. Smell. Smells new, that's it.
I want to smell.
Yeah, it doesn't smell. It has this cute little thing on directions.
I want to do it. I want to do this one first.
Okay, hold on. Well, we're gonna, because this one, hey, hold on, one thing at a time. We're gonna open these up. Oh, there's some little pieces, so this is not for kids that put things in their mouth. So
Is that so good? Hazard?
it is a choking hazard, so not for kids that put it in their mouth, or if they are 0 to 3. This is not for them.
This is for a robot.
Oh yeah? This is neat. I like this. Noise, there's no noise, which is okay. Oh, it comes with chalk and it comes with a marker. There we go.
I can't open this.
So the marker comes out and we can sit right.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice? This is a nice marker. Yeah, and there's chalk.
It's free.
Oh, some of them's broken. So
I think it's fine.
Oh, it comes with a little eraser. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and hold on. And it does. The little spongy thing is meant to erase the whiteboard. That's so nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, and the magnets stick to the whiteboard side.
Wait.
Oh, that's a magnet too. See? Oh, it goes right on the whiteboard. Very nice.
Oh, I want to do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my name.
Okay, so you do your name then.
I can see in all.
So it's plastic. Oh, there we go. We got it.
And
Rip this open. Oh, that was nice. So we'll check out the farm animals one right now. And I do know from personal experience that you're gonna wanna open both sides of this to be able to remove it.
Yes.
This is a really sturdy toy. Messy, I would say this is a 4 because of all of the little pieces. Yeah. Oh, these are cute.
It can race.
I like this. It does? I know, isn't that nice?
Yeah. Let's get together.
This is a cute game. I like this. Excellent for hand-eye coordination, for identification. This has lots of colors. They do stick together because they're magnets. Magnets stick together to magnets. That happens. And it has instructions on how to do different things. And it
has news switches.
And I am opening this for the first time in front of the camera, so you guys are getting legitimate reactions on how I feel about this. I really like this. All toys will be reviewed and they will all have a video on how to use them. This is easy to use. You just open it right up and go to town. If there are any toys that you would like us to review or any products that you would like us to review before you purchase them, so that way you can make a solid decision on what it is that you're looking for, please contact us in Facebook or email me at info@kthornstore.com. www.kthornstore.com is our store to purchase our products. Don't forget to follow us and like us on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll be back with our next product. Every Wednesday we review a product. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.